Welcome to another episode of Popwood Playback. I just got done wrapping up an I Can Do That episode about working with metal. Sorry for that introduction. We thought we'd have a little fun with that. Anyhow, Popwood Playback, if you are new to the channel, is all about finding the newest, the freshest, and the best videos of the week. I love finding undiscovered channels and helping you all find them for yourself. So my first video of the week goes to KC Woodworks. In his latest video, he did a panel sled, but the reason I knew about his channel is because he sent me an email. Every week for the last couple months, I've said, send me an email if you are a channel that wants to be discovered. If you want to share it with our 130-some thousand subscribers, we will do it. So KC Woodworks, you have a great channel and some quality content. So head over his channel, give him a subscribe, and enjoy this video about making a panel sled. It's an easy build, but he walks you through it, and it's one of those things that you just have to have in the shop. The next video that we have is from Samurai Carpenter, who had the great idea of making a router bit storage case, which I just did too on I Can Do That. And so I don't know why he felt compelled to copy me. Well, I do. His was much cooler than mine. And I should put this down now. But in this video, he walks you through his build. And I say walks through, but really he just shows you. He doesn't lay it all out for you. But there's some great joinery, there's some carving, it's a great build, good job. And my third video of the week is from Clint Harp, which maybe you've heard that name before if you watch HGTV, like me. He is the resident woodworker, custom furniture maker on Fixer Upper with Jack and Joanna Gaines. And so he has a YouTube channel. And I just discovered it because I went through my process that I showed you a couple weeks ago on YouTube, where I do a search for woodworking and then I filter by upload date and views, and then sometimes I reverse it. So I look for the least viewed woodworking videos. And so this last video he did was about making a cutting board, but apparently he's been uploading for like 2 years almost. And he has around 5,000 subs. So I think it'd be appropriate if we went over there and said hello from the popular woodworking community. And it's a good video, and he walks you through this process of prototyping a new cutting board for his brand. So check that out over on his channel. And if you are into metalworking, I have a new video coming out next week, Jake? Jake doesn't know. A new video on metalworking for I Can Do That coming out, I think next week, which would be the Wednesday after you see this on the Saturday. So, one more thing. We did a series of sawmill videos using Wood-Mizer equipment. Wood-Mizer makes really nice sawmills. They have just top-notch stuff. And so we went out and we visited a couple guys that were doing, that ran their business with Wood-Mizer equipment. And we have a couple interviews up. I think we have 7 videos in total that are going to be available on YouTube. You can buy the whole package at once, or you can wait for them to come out and then watch them on YouTube and that sort of thing. But it's just a really informative video about sawmilling, or running a sawmill. Jake, where was he a professor? The main guy was a forestry professor, right? Over at Purdue University, since retired, but still working away on that. So check those videos out on our channel and look for this metalworking one on I Can Do That coming up. That's the series that Andrew Zollner, our editor, and I put together every other week. And with that, I want to thank you, and I want to remind you to send me an email if you want your videos on here. Also, if you would like to host Popwood Playback, I have a couple in the works of people that are willing to host, but please send me an email, put yourself out there, show the world what you can do, and host for me so I can take a week off. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.